The decision given in this case is that 6th Circuit Court given the decision, and it ruled that any sampling of sound recording, see the wording, any sampling of a sound recording, no matter how brief, requires a license. Now, I will just suggest you in this context, check the Ram Sampath case and the Rakesh Roshan case. Okay. So, this is a decision in a 6th Circuit Court given, and this case was like a 2005. And this is like a precedent set for a small, and therefore in NPTEL also you probably just now I am just we are discussing this. So, as this is a decision given in the court, right. So, any copyrighted material if we are using, obviously we have to take a small part also, and therefore we can say that when here also whenever we are sharing with you the links or some small videos, we are taking caution, right, because small part is also responsible for the copyright infringement. Obviously, this is a fair use.